Good morning, it's Jennifer Sparks, and I'm going to be your tour guide today. We're in the very beautiful Atlantic City, and we're going to be heading over to Ocean Resort and Casino. I'm currently at the Flagship enjoying the view. The first part of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a new restaurant that has opened in Ocean. It's on the 11th floor where the lobby is. My daughter Sky is going to be joining me. She is visiting me here from Connecticut. Unfortunately, she's only here for a night, and there's so much to do in Atlantic City and so much I want to show her. But she really wanted to go for a nice brunch, so I thought this would be a great place to try because I've never been here either. But most of this video is going to be about the drone and the fireworks display. That will be after our brunch. I put this video on the urgency list to get out because this Friday, tomorrow, is the final performance. And I'm so grateful that I was able to see it and film it and share it with you. Ideally, this is probably the best place to view it. But I viewed it and filmed it closer to where I was staying at Flagship on the Boardwalk. Coming here, however, will give you a front row seat. Before we go to brunch, I wanted to go check out the casino and see if I have any free play.
$35.
I had $5, so I did $2.50 spins.
$5 free play. And I got
I seriously sat at the perfect machine. I won $35.
Because I have my beautiful daughter here with me.
That was seriously so lucky. I'm like, what am I going to do with $5? I hit it hard, won $35. Now I could pay for breakfast. Let's go check out Sonny's. I'm so excited about this. This space has been empty for so long. And it's such a beautiful, usable place. I was like, why don't they do anything with this? I'm so excited that somebody opened up a restaurant here and that it's another brunch. Harper's is awesome, but sometimes it's hard to get into. Let's check out what you can order. It's breakfast and lunch food, and there's also a full bar. Our waiter said that Sonny's opened 3 weeks ago, so it's still really new. The service was very attentive. Sky's a vegetarian, and I'm a total vegetarian when I hang out with Sky, so I let her pick 2 things, and we're going to split them so we could try 2 different entrees. It was tempting to get the pancakes, but we're going to stick with the eggs. We're going to get an omelet. This came with feta cheese and spinach. The potatoes were really good. We also ordered this. It was an avocado, lettuce, and tomato. No BLTs for this little girl. She turned a vegetarian when she was 5 years old. She has not touched meat since. Sadly, she was heading back to Connecticut. I had to bring her over to Caesars Bus Terminal. That will be a different video. Now for the show. The show is called The Summer of Sevens. I chose to watch it from the Boardwalk in the area that is close to North Beach, mini golf, and bike rental. This is the walk in between Ocean Resort and Flagship where I was staying. The drone show is starting. I chose to come here mostly because I have a new camera and I want to see how the zoom works and see how clear it becomes. Plus, it was really quiet around here. I'm hoping to edit the fireworks sound raw without having to put music behind it. This is really cool. This is the Summer of Sevens. It's heavily edited for time's sake. It takes a lot longer than this. The whole production was maybe about 30 minutes. My next video on deck is also another time-sensitive video, another video about Ocean. I received free tickets to go see a show there. The 70s Trans Am Band, that was so much fun, but they're playing to the end of August on Sundays, so I made a video about it for anybody that may be interested in going. I highly recommend it. It was really great. And this show was really great. I don't know why. I thought it was a laser show. I was telling everybody I was going to a laser show. This is totally different than I thought it was going to be, and it was so impressive to see it live. Have you been fortunate enough to see this show live? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know where you saw it from. Tomorrow's the last day. What a bummer. This is supposed to be on Friday nights. I saw it on a Saturday night because of the winds. We had some really wacky weather this week in Atlantic City. This night also going on, they had the OJs having their final concert. I wanted to go to that. And I also wanted to go to the Frank Sinatra impersonator with the full band. Those shows were at Borgata and Harrah's. But something said, you know, it's a gorgeous night. Go do this. And this is what I chose to do. I don't know if it was the right decision, but I really enjoyed it. Drone show is going bye-bye. Now it's time for the fireworks. This is my first time catching a fireworks show in Atlantic City. I really enjoyed watching it from over here and seeing like the whole Atlantic City skyline. I'm sure it could be very beautiful from a hotel room too. I know you could see it from over at Harrah's. I'm not certain if you can see the drone show from there though. I'm not even sure if anybody's going to care about the fireworks. I just like making memories for myself. And I love to share these experiences with anybody that couldn't make it here. I like to bring happiness into other people's homes. Something positive to watch. I'm going to be heading to Ocean again tonight. I have tickets to the mystery tour. Ocean's been nice giving me tickets. They haven't been giving me free rooms, but they've been giving me tickets to shows. I'll take it. My voice is absolutely so hoarse from the smoke in the casinos all week. 2 weeks. Oh, I'm going to be heading back to Connecticut tomorrow. I'll be able to heal myself. People think I'm on vacation all the time. I'm like, no, I actually go home to rest. When I'm here, I'm working. Nice view of the resorts and the Absecon Lighthouse. The next plans I have to come back to Atlantic City are the end of the month, the end of August, for the Caesars 10 times multiplier. Is anybody else coming to that? Sounds like an event I can't miss. I need to get to Diamond, damn it. 10 times would definitely make it easier. I'm currently at Harrah's now. I had to walk away last night. I'm like, nope, these machines are not being friendly. I'm going to visit them another day. I would really love to take this moment to thank all of you that watch my channel and refer it to your friends and share it on your social media and helping my channel grow. It's been quite a journey. I really love promoting things that I love, and I love Atlantic City, and I love the people of Atlantic City, and I love all of you guys that love Atlantic City. It's just, it's really great. Thank you so much. To view more of my videos about Atlantic City, I leave some playlists at the end of this video. Just click on the playlist that you would like to see. There's resort tours, what I do in a day, just give you different ideas about where you could eat, where you could hang out, what to expect. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Whatever you do, make sure you plan that trip to Atlantic City and you book that trip and you come here. Atlantic City is awesome and you deserve to be here. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.